Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll walk you through creating a sleek navigation bar in Canva. Super easy. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, navigate to the website section in the menu. Once there, select your preferred website template and begin customizing it to fit your needs using the available tools. On the left side, browse through the available templates. Select any template you like by clicking on it. This will apply the chosen template to your workspace instantly. To add a link, first create a new page. Look for the available buttons on your screen, then select the option to create a page. Once the page is created, you can add your desired link to it. This applies only to this specific menu, so changes here will not affect any other menus. Click this button, then press Ctrl and K on your keyboard to perform the action as shown in this example. You don't need to take any action here. Simply scroll and you'll see the specific page appear in this document as you continue navigating through the sections. If you have additional pages, you can link them to this button. Select the button, go to its settings, and choose the page you want users to be directed to when they click it. Select this sample, then press Ctrl plus K to cut the section. This shortcut quickly removes the selected audio from your project timeline. You can add links to pages by selecting the button, then choosing your destination page. Repeat this process for the other buttons to assign links as needed. This allows each button to navigate users to the selected pages within your site. Create your own menu bar by selecting the navigation option. Once your menu bar is set up, you can redesign your page layout and customize sections to match your preferred style and functionality. Use the search bar to find elements, then drag and drop them into your design to start customizing. Click the Share button to open sharing options. Then select Download to save the file directly to your computer for offline use. To save your file as a PDF, select PDF Standard from the options and click Save or Export. Make sure that every page is selected before proceeding to export. Click the Download button to proceed. Thank you. Now you know how to create a website navigation bar in Canva. Give it a try! Like and subscribe for more easy design tips.